Thanks very much, Spencer. Let's head back to a track and field story now. The most talked about events at the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championships are usually the sprints. However, to win the respective titles, doing well in the distance events is just as important, and schools are keen on having the best talents available to them. Here's Daniel McLeod with tonight's Champs Preview.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships Primetime Sports Preview, brought to you by
In recent years, the distance events have become more crucial to the championship races, with title-chasing schools even recruiting overseas talent to help boost their chances of success. This year is no different, with many of the foreign stars, especially on the boys' side, set to play a key role in where the Mortimer Geddes Trophy ends up. The 1500, 5000 and 2000 meter steeplechase events will be littered with foreign talent, while track and field analyst Donald Smith has also identified the Class 1 boys 800 meters as another event that could pit quality local talent against foreign opposition.
Joel Morgan, based on just what he did at the character trials, he was sitting in the pack for most of it and then took it away from the rest of the field. His teammate Malik Anderson followed him close as well, also clocking a sub 151 seconds time. So both of those two athletes are below the 151 seconds timeline. There's a youngster that attends Jamaica College. He's not Jamaican. Bryson Keynes, prior to the character trials, had the fastest time in the 800 meters. And certainly he could prove to be difficult to beat.
On the girls' side, there's one special talent that Smith believes can remove the record in the Class 2 800 meters.
This year, Kevon Gay Fowler has been in a no-nonsense mode. And so much no-nonsense has she been that she has certainly suggested that there's a possibility that for the 800 meters, the record could potentially go. Her fastest time is 2:07.64. The Class 2 girls 800 meters record that comes back at 2:07.74. So she's already faster than the champs record this year.
Fowler isn't necessarily talking records. She's more focused on winning the 800 meter 1500 meter double.
I just want to go out there, put out all the effort and do exactly what I do at training. So I just want to go out there and do what I've trained to do. Yes, I'm looking forward for a gold medal in the 800 and a gold in the 1500 this year.
In the meantime, for Smith, there's a little to separate the top teams in the distance events on the boys' side. However, on the girls' side, things could shape up differently.
So it does seem as if Edwin might have the edge on the girls' side where the open events are concerned, those open long distance events, and on the boys' side it's a bit more of a toss-up in my mind.
The Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Athletics Championship will run from March 24 to 28 at the National Stadium, with live coverage on Television Jamaica, Television Jamaica Sports Network, and OneSportMedia.com, with radio sports coverage on Fame 95 FM. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.
the Issa Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships Primetime Sports Preview, brought to you by